Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, so we're back in with another video on the day, and now what I have for everyone is some protective case bands for your Apple Watch. Okay, so this is my unboxing and first impressions of the HALLEAST protective case bands for the Apple Watch SE. And honestly, this is available for any Apple Watch. It just depends. For this particular thing, it depends on the size of the Apple Watch that you have. So my particular Apple Watch was the 44 millimeter, so that's what I requested when this company requested a review for this product on the Amazon Vine program. Alright, so let's unbox it. Let me give y'all my first impressions, and then we'll wrap the video up. So first things first, talking about the packaging, HALLEAST, come on y'all. I'm all for minimalistic, straightforward packaging, but this is Spartan out here. Spartan. Nothing but a barcode with some tracking information and some details down here. And that's pretty much it. Now, I did remove the tape, so cracking into the box here. And I gotta say, it might be Spartan packaging, but man, is it space efficient. So you can see this is the 5-pack. And I do like how they packaged that, so you can see all the colors. So we got light blue, we got dark blue, we got black, we got green, and we got clear. Not bad. Nothing else in the package. Throw that box off to the side. And you can see it is wrapped up in some nice protective plastic here. Let's crack this. And then here we have access to all of the bands / watch cases. Okay? So basically, and I've never experienced this before. I've always wanted this, especially for something like my Galaxy Watch that I had, but I've never experienced this before. So basically, what this is a case band. So you just put the main unit of the Apple Watch into the case, and then you clip on the band like it's a regular watch band. I like that. I like that a lot. So let me just showcase the colors for y'all, and then I'll pick my favorite color, and we'll try that on, and we'll do a first impressions. So here is the light blue. Okay, that's what the case looks like. This is what the band looks like. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Put that down there. Rest that over here. Then here is the dark blue, almost purplish, I want to say. That actually looks really good too. Yeah, it's almost purplish here. Not bad. Not bad at all. I don't know if my camera is going to do it justice. Rest that one over here. Then here we have the black. And they kind of clasp these last three, I guess, to make sure it doesn't rattle around in shipping. Okay, so they clasp it up. But, and I do say I like the double clasping too. That double clasp hook. That's pretty cool. So once it's on and it's in, it should move around. So let me unclasp that. Like that. There's the black. And of course I just dropped the other ones. Give me 1 second. Real quick drop test. I'm not cutting that out. It is what it is. So here's the black one. And I have to say, man, I'm liking that black one. This black one is nice and deep. Deep black. And y'all know me. Black pretty much goes with anything, so I'll probably rock this one. That light blue is a little bit too light blue, but this black, oh yeah, I could rock this all day, every day. It's not bad at all. Okay, rest this one off. Matter of fact, let me start clearing off my desk here. I don't want my desk to fill up. Let's throw that off to the side. And then we have the army green and the clear. Okay, right here. So let's pop these out. And they wrap that army green all the way up. And I think this is a really nice army green too. Really nice. And nice traditional buckle as well. I like that. Even though it's a double buckle design, it's a traditional double buckle design. So this should be really easy to use and wear. So here's the green right here. Nice little army green. I like that. Like that a lot. Here's the back. Alright, throw that off. And then lastly, we have the clear case. And honestly, y'all, I don't know about this one. I don't know if I could rock a clear case, y'all. I don't know. But let me unbuckle it for y'all and let me show you. Okay. And you can see traditional buckling and clasping mechanism. They just doubled it up. Okay, so that's a nice touch. And here's the clear one. Well, it's clear, but it's more like frosted clear. But I don't know if I can rock that right there. What y'all think? There's the front. Here's the back. What do y'all think? Leave your feedback down below. Okay? Honestly, though, this black one, oh yeah. I'm going to have to rock this, use this for the review period. Yeah, we're definitely going to rock this black one. Alright, so you know what I want to do now, guys and gals? Give me a few minutes. Let me drop the unit into the case, and then I'll come back and give y'all my first impressions, and then we'll wrap the video up. So give me a few minutes. Let me set this up, and I'll be back. Alright, it literally popped on there super easy, and then I was like, wait, should I show you guys, just for those guys and gals who want a quick installation guide tutorial? So I popped it back out. But essentially, you just flip it over, and you line up the cutouts, and then it snaps in, right? So your crown cutout is here, your power button cutout is there, and then you just line up your microphone holes. So let me just do that again. Okay. So you can slide it in from the side, or you can just drop it in from the back. It's up to you. Now I actually just dropped it in from the back and just put the crown through the hole. Just like that. And then you pop it on. And we're in business. That's it. That's all there is to it. Okay. So real quick tutorial on how to pop the case on. And then to pop it out, you just do the same thing in reverse. And now that was a little bit more difficult for me. But I found that if you start with the button and crown and peel this over first, then you can pop out the booty from the back and you're good to go, just like that. But it's a little bit more difficult to take it out than it is to put it on. Okay? But I wanted to show y'all that real quick installation right there, just in case you guys and gals wanted to see it on camera. Now, let me get a nice, comfortable fit and come back and give y'all my first impressions of the watch band right here. Now I'll be right back. Alright guys and gals, and now we're back, and first impressions of the fit, I gotta tell y'all, I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot, and everything still works. So I still have access to my main power button. It still works. I can pull up my recent apps. I got full access to my crown. Okay, so I can go back, I can go home, and I can bring up Siri. So that's pretty cool. And I have to say, I really like the protection that this offers already, because you have a nice raised lip around the entirety of the main unit of the Apple Watch. Now, it would have been even sweeter if there was like a built-in screen protector, but it is what it is. Okay, you can't have everything. But
I'm not sure I understand.
Siri, wasn't nobody talking to you. Calm down, calm down. But first impressions of the HALLEAST full protective case band for the Apple Watch, SE or otherwise, I have to say this is really, really good. And then, yes, big plus for having the traditional buckle and clasp, and even bigger plus for having the double up. So you get extra security because you got the double buckle clasp system right here, and they even gave you extra double loops to hold it in. So now I have the perfect fit for my Apple Watch SE, and it's super comfortable, and I also have maximum protection as well. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and rock out and use this for a week and write up my full review on it and publish it on Amazon, and then I'll come back and shoot the full review and let you guys and gals know whether this one is worth picking up. But I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. And if you're interested in picking this one up, everything you need to know in regards to picking it up, as well as the affiliated buy links so you know where to grab it. And if you use those links, that does go towards helping the channel, because I do get a small percentage of commission when you guys and gals use those links as well. All that good stuff will be linked up down below in the video description. Okay? And all of my extended coverage on the Apple Watch and all of my other Apple products that I've covered on the channel will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video is being recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus with no external microphone hooked up. I am using my professional studio lights, and this is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality and the lighting down below in the comments. Please remember to keep your comments respectful, please. And I'll catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe, and catch you on the next one. Peace. We are out of here. Alright, man. I've never experienced these style of protective case bands before. I've always wanted to, but you know, I just never pulled the trigger on it. But I'm really excited to try this out, and I was surprised by how easy that installation was. I was even more surprised that taking it out is harder than putting it in. That was weird, yo. Usually installing it is a lot easier than uninstalling it, but I guess this particular product is the reverse. Anyway, I'm rambling. Have a good one, everyone. Stay safe out there. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. We are out of here. Well, I gotta learn to be quiet. Bye.